All right, it's the beginning part of April 2025, and every morning at about 3:34 in the morning here in lovely Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam, I get awoken to this guy. I've been looking for him for years. I'm like, where is this rooster? Well, there he is. He's my alarm clock. I'm not kidding you. 3:30 in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning, this guy's making all kinds of racket. That's right, it's you. I got my eye on you, buddy. Yep, that's him. Makes all kinds of racket. Little bastard. Anyway, alarm clock, Ho Chi Minh style. Gotta go. Bye-bye.